Hello, you're welcome to IDC Learning Center YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to be looking at National Examination Council 2024 Basic Education Certificate Examination, BECE 2024. We'll be looking at Paper 2, Mathematics. In previous videos, I've done Paper 1, Answer the 60 questions is in the channel, and I've also done the essay part, which is Paper 3. So I'm going to encourage you to kindly subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. We are going to complete this so we can go to other subjects as well. Without wasting time, Paper 2, Mathematics, let's look at the first question. In case you are using a smartphone and it's not clear, I'm going to be writing out the questions out as a solve. So question number 1 says, if 3x times 15 is equal to 90, find the value of x. So we just multiply 3x times 15. 3 times 15 is 45. Then add the x equal to 90. To get the value of x, you divide both sides by 45. Divide this side by 45. 45 year 1, 45 year 1. So 45 year 1, 45 into 90 is 2. The value of x is 2. And the right option is B. Question number 2. Question 2 says, solve for x if 3 bracket 4x minus 8 close bracket plus 12 equal to 0. So what we need to do is to break the bracket by using the 3 to multiply each of the term in the bracket. So 3 times 4x will give us 12x minus 3 times 8 is 24 plus 12 equal to 0. Now, always leave the variable at the left hand side. So I'll leave 12x at the left hand side and then move minus 24 and plus 12 to the right hand side to meet 0. As minus 12 crosses the equal to sign, the minus changes to plus. We have plus 12. As plus 12 crosses the equal to sign, the plus changes to minus. We have minus 12. So 12x equal to 24 minus 12 is 12. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 12. 12 divided by 12, 1. 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 The value of x is equal to what? 1. So the right option is D, which is 1. Alright, question number 3 says, Mr. Abraka thought of a number and added 3 times the number. If the result is 2 times the number plus 4, what is the number? To solve this question, the first thing we need to do is to let the number Mr. Abraka thought of be x. So he thought of a number and added 3 times the number. So we have the number x. He added 3 times the number. So 3 times x is 3x. He added 3x. If the result is 2 times the number plus 4, 2 times x, 2 times the number is 2x plus 4. What is the number? Let's start with the left hand side. 3x plus 3x is 4x equal to 2x plus 4. Collect like terms, move 2x to the left hand side to meet 4x. It will give us 4x minus 2x equal to 4. 4x minus 2x is 2x equal to 4. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 2. 2 year 1, 2 year 1. 2 year 1, 2 into 4 is 2. So the value of x is 2. Then we'll go back to the options. The right option is A. Alright, let's move over to question 4. Question 4, as you can see, says solve the equation 1 out of m. 1 out of m equal to 4 out of 5. For a question like this, the first thing you must do is to cross multiply. So m times 4 will give us 4m equal to 5 times 1 is 5. Divide both sides with 4 to get the value of m. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. M is 5 divided by 4. So 5 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 1, and the denominator is 4. You bring it out. So the right answer is 1/1/4, which is A. Alright, we are going to move up to question 5. So let's wipe this out. Okay, question 5. Now question number 5 says, let's factorize 2m squared minus 8n squared. So let's factor this expression. If I divide both of them by 2, so if I bring out 2, I'll be left with m squared for the first term, minus 8 divided by 2, I'll be left with 4n squared. And if I use 2 to multiply m squared, it will give me back 2m squared, and 2 times 4 will give me 8. So if I use the 2 to multiply the terms inside the bracket, I'll get the expression we have at the beginning. Now the next thing, this is not the answer. We use difference of two squares to get our answer. This is how it works. The rule is that if you have something like a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b bracket bracket a plus b close bracket. So what we have in this expression is same as 2 brackets m squared minus 4 is 2 squared. 2 times 2 is 4. Then n squared. So I can rewrite this as 2 brackets m squared minus 2n. Seeing the square is common, put it outside. Alright, looking at the difference of 2 square here, what we have here, we are going to apply it here. So 2 brackets, we pick one m, pick one 2n, m minus 2n, applying difference of 2 square. We pick the next m, and this time it will be positive 2n. Okay, if we look at the options in question 5, the right option, 2 bracket m minus 2n, m plus 2n is E, and that is the correct answer. Let's move over to question 6. Question 6 is also difference of 2 square. The question says factorize 25x squared minus y squared. Using difference of 2 square, I'm going to write it out again. A squared minus b squared equal to bracket a minus b close bracket bracket a plus b close bracket. So 25 square is something as 5 square. 5 times 5 is 25. Then s square minus y square. So I can bring this together to get 5x, then the square outside minus y square. Using difference of 2 square, pick one 5x minus 1y. Another 5x plus the next y. Now let's look for the right option. The answer is 5x minus y, 5x plus y, and the right option is D. Question number 8 says express. Let's express what we have. Now, let's factorize this. Alright, question 7 says, factorize x squared plus 4x minus 12. This is a quadratic expression. To factorize this, you multiply the first term with the last term. So x squared minus 12 will give me minus 12x squared. Now, you look for the factors of minus 12x squared minus 12, that if you sum, you get plus 14. And if you multiply the factor of 12, you get back what we have here, minus 12x squared. So let's look for factors of 12 is 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Okay, among these factors, 6 minus 2 will give me 4, which is the middle term. So 6x minus 2x will give me plus 4x, and 6x times minus 2x will give me minus 12x squared. So what I'm looking for is 6x minus 2x. So I'll use this and replace the middle term. So we have x squared plus 6x minus 2x minus 12. Now, I'm going to group this. I can remove x and x from here, so I'll remove 1x. If I do, I'll be left with 1x here, and remove x from 6x, I'll be left with 6. So that x times x will give me back x squared, and x times 6 will give me back 6x. I can remove minus 2 from the next term. I'll be left with x plus 6 as well. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times 6 will give me minus 12. What I have outside the bracket, x and minus 2, put it in a bracket. That's x minus 2. Since I have the same term in these two brackets, I'll put them, just pick one of them. I'm done. So I'll factorize, and my answer is bracket x minus 2, close bracket x plus 6. Now, look for the right option, which is D. Alright, let's move over to question 8. Question 8 says, express 3a over 5 plus 2b over 3 as a single fraction. Just find the LCM of 5 and 3, which will give you 15. Then you divide and multiply. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 3a will give me 9a. You go to the second fraction. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10b. And that is all. It's a single fraction now. Among the options we have, E is the right answer. Okay, let me move it down so you can see it very well. So E is 9a plus 10b over 15, and that is the answer. Question 9. Solve the equation a minus 4 out of 5 is equal to 2 minus a out of 2. The first thing we need to do is to collect like terms, so we move minus a over 2 to the left to meet his brother. We now have a minus 4 over 5. Now, as minus a over 2 crosses the equal to sign, it changes to plus a over 2, now equal to 2. Take the LCM of what we have at the left hand side. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. You divide and multiply. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then use 2 to multiply the numerator. Plus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times a, 5a, equal to 2. All whole numbers have a denominator of 1. Cross multiply. So we have 2 bracket a minus 4, close bracket, plus 5a equal to 2 times 10, 20. Break the bracket. 2 times a, 2a minus 2 times 4, 8, plus 5a equal to 20. Let's move down to create space. Alright, so collect like terms. 2a plus 5a will give us 7a minus a equal to 20. Move minus 8 to the right hand side. As minus 8 crosses the equal to sign, it changes to plus 8. So we have 7a equal to 20 plus 8. 7a equal to 28. To get the value of a, we divide both sides by 7. 7 here 1, 7 here 1. 7 here 1, 7 into 28 is 4. So a is equal to 4. Now let's look for the right option. The right option is B. Alright, we are done with the first page. That's page 12. Let's go to the next page. Question number 10. We've done 1 to 9. Simplify n minus 1 over 6 plus n plus 1 over 8. The first thing you need to do is to take the LCM of 6 and 8, which is 24. Then you divide and multiply. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Then use 4 to multiply everything there. Plus 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times the numerator of the second fraction, which is n plus 1. So use this 4 to multiply each of the term in this bracket to break it. 4 times n will give me 4n minus 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, plus 3 times n plus 3n. 3 times 1 will give me 3 over 24. 4n plus 3n will give me 7n. Now we have minus 4 plus 3 over 24. So we have 7n minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 over 24 will be our final answer. And the right option here, 7n minus 1, is C. Alright, let's move over to question 11. To solve question 11, so let me write it out first. 2 brackets 4x minus 1 close bracket divide by 2 equal to 9 bracket x plus 1 close bracket divide by 4. Alright, we need to use the term outside the bracket to multiply each of the term inside the bracket. So 2 times 4x will give us 8x minus 2 times 1, 2 over 2 equal to 9 times x, 9x plus 9 times 1, 9 over 4. Cross multiply. So 4 times bracket 8x minus 2 close bracket equal to 2 times 9x plus 9. 4 times 8x will give us 32x. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. 2 times 9 is 18x. 2 times 9 is plus 18. Collect like terms. 32x, move 18x to the left as it crosses equal to sign, it changes to minus 18x. Equal to 18, move minus 8 to the right, it changes to plus 8. 32x minus 18x will give us 14x equal to 18 plus 8, 26. Now divide both sides by 14. 14 here 1, 14 here 1. So 26 out of 14, 2 into 26 is 13, 2 into 14 is 7, 7 into 13 is 1, remainder 6 over 7. The right answer is E. Alright, let's go to question 12. Question 12 says, solve the equation 8 out of 4 bracket x minus 2 close bracket equal to 1 out of 10. Alright, this will give me 8 out of 4 times x, 4x minus 4 times 2, 8, equal to 1 out of 10. Cross multiply. So 1 times 4x minus 8 will give me back 4x minus 8. And 8 times 10 is 80. Move minus 8 to go and meet 80. So we have 4x at the left hand side. As minus 8 crosses the equal to sign, it will change to plus 8. 4x is equal to 88. Divide both sides by 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. 4 here 1, 4 into 88 is 22. So let's go to the option. The right answer is D, which is 22. Okay, so now let's move to question 13. Question 13 says, solve for x if 28x plus 3 out of 5 is equal to x plus 3 out of 2. So the first thing we need to do is to collect like terms. Leave 28x there at the left hand side, but we need to move x at the right hand side to the left. As it crosses the equal to sign, it changes to minus x. 3 out of 2 or 3 over 2 is at the right hand side. We move 3 over 5 to the right hand side. As it crosses the equal to sign, it changes to 3 over 5. 28x minus x will give us 27x equal to, take the LCM of 2 and 5, which is 10. Divide 10 by these two, 5 times 3, 15, minus 10 divided by 5, 2 times 3, that's 6. 27x equal to 15 minus 6 is 9 out of 10. Let this be over 1. Cross multiply. 27x times 10 will give me 270x. X times 1 times 9 is 9. Now divide both sides by 270. 270 here 1, 270 here 1. We are doing that to get the value of x. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 9 divided by 270 is 30. So 1 over 30 is the right answer. If you look at the options we have, 1 over 30 is option E. Alright, let's go to question 14. So the expression, question 14 says, factorize 3x squared minus y squared minus 3xy plus xy. First, we simplify the terms by combining like terms. This will give me 3x squared minus y squared minus 3xy okay, just hold on. These parts minus 3xy plus xy. It's just like saying you are owing 3xy. If you pay xy, minus 3xy plus xy will give me minus 2xy. So I've combined. Alright, now we will look for a way to factorize the expression. Notice that it can be rewritten in a different form by recognizing the potential for a binomial square. So, in this expression, we see that we can rearrange and group the terms to make it easier to factor. So what I'm just thinking, or what I want you to do is just to rearrange this so it can be easier for us. We have 3x squared first, minus 2xy, and then let y squared be at the end. Now, once you're done with this, we recognize that this is a quadratic expression in terms of x. So we can now try to factor it as a product of two binomials. So this will give me, of course, as a product of two binomials, ax plus by. Let me give you the expression to use. Then cx plus dy. So we need to let ax plus by bracket bracket cx plus dy close bracket be equal to 3x squared minus 2xy minus y squared. Let's get the value of AC, BD, AD plus BC. AC is 3, BD is minus 1, AD plus BC is minus 2. Now, after analyzing, we find out that bracket 3x plus y, close bracket bracket x minus y. If you look at the options we have, the answer, the right option will be E, that agrees with what we have. 3x, that's x minus y, bracket bracket 3x plus y. Question number 15. Let's expand and simplify. Pay attention as I explain how question 15 works. We have bracket 5x minus 3y, close bracket bracket 2x plus 4y. Multiply the first term, this times this. Alright, 5x times 2x will give me 10x squared. Go again, 5x times 4y will give me 20xy. From here, minus 3y times 2 minus 6xy minus 3y times 4 minus 12y squared. So 10x squared, the first, plus 20xy minus this will give me plus 14xy. Now minus 12y squared. 10x squared minus plus 14xy minus 12. So the right option is D, and that is our answer. Alright, let's look at question 16. Olu thought of a number, let the number be x. He subtracted 2 from this number. He divided by 32. His answer is 4. Find the number. Sorry, I'm going to take this again. So Olu thought of a number. I said let it be x. He subtracted 2 from it. This is what you get, right? I think the question says he divided 32 by the result. So it's meant to be 32 divided by the result. Then the answer is 4. Find x. Let this be over 1, cross multiply. So we have 4 times everything in the denominator, which is x minus 2, close bracket, equal to 32. 4 times x is 4x, minus 4 times 2 is 8, equal to 32. Move minus 8 to the right hand side, we have 4x equal to 32 plus 8. Let's move this down. Alright, so 4x equal to 32 plus 8 is 40. To get the value of x, divide both sides by 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. 4 here 1, 4 here 10. So x is equal to 10. The right option is E, 10. Alright, to the next question. Question 17. Factorize a squared minus 6a minus 7. Step 1. Multiply the first term and the last. A squared times 7 will give me 7a squared. What are the factors of 7? Let's just work with minus 7a minus a. So minus 7a times, in math, minus times minus is plus. So minus 7a times minus a will give me plus 7a squared. Why minus 7a minus a I want us to take this again, so just wipe this. A square minus 7a won't give us 7a square, rather it will give us minus 7a square, because the 7 has a minus sign. Now the factors of 7, we have 1 and 7, or 7 and 1 will give us 7. Now minus 7a plus 1a. Minus 7 times 1 will give me minus 7. I'll get this back. Minus 7a times plus 1a will give me minus 7a square. Minus 7a p plus a will give me minus 6. These are directed numbers. If the signs are not the same, multiply what you have and put the sign of the bigger one. So the sign are not the same. We have minus and 7. So we'll do 7 minus 1. The answer is 6. Then put the sign of the bigger digit. 7 is a bigger digit. That's why I'm putting 6. So it will give me back this middle term. Now use this expression to replace the middle term, which is minus 6a. We'll now have a squared minus 7a plus 1a minus 7. Group. I can remove a and a, put it outside the bracket. I'll be left with a minus 7. So that a times a squared, a times minus 7 minus 7. Here I can remove plus 1. Here I'll be left with a minus 7 as well. So put this a and this plus 1 in a bracket, a plus 1. Since the term here and here are the same, pick one. That's a minus 7. So the right answer will just be a plus 1, a minus 7. Okay. In options A to E, the right answer is A. A plus 1, bracket, bracket, a minus 7. By now, I'm sure that you will be able to solve question 18 if you had followed through all I've done so far. But let's do it together. Question number 18. Factorize a squared plus 9a plus 8. So a squared times 8 will give me 8a squared. Alright. What are the factors of 8a squared that will give me 9a, the middle term? 8a times 1a will give me 8a squared, and 8a, same factor plus 1a will give me 9a. So use 8a plus 1a to replace this middle term. We now have a squared plus 8a plus 1a. 8 plus 1 is 9 plus 8. Group them. I can remove a from here and here, so put a outside the bracket. You'll be left with 1a here, you'll be left with 8 here. I can remove plus 1 from here, I'll be left with a plus 8 here. Put a and plus 1 in a bracket. Since the expression I have here and here are the same, pick one, a plus 8. That's the right answer. If you look at the option, a plus 1, bracket a plus 8 is the answer, which is C. Alright, question 19 has to do with inequality. Inequality. So the question says, solve 4 plus 4x is greater than or equal to 5x plus 8. Collect your like terms. Let me rewrite it. 4 plus 4x is greater than or equal to 5x plus 8. I like the variables being at the left hand side, so move 5x to the left hand side and move 4 to the right hand side. 4x is already at the left hand side. As 5x crosses the inequality sign, it changes to minus 5x greater than or equal to, we have 8. As plus 4 crosses the inequality sign, greater than or equal to, it changes to minus 4. So 4x minus 5x is minus x. Is greater than 8 minus 4 is 4. Multiply through with minus so that we can make x as a variable positive. So minus times this minus will give me plus, x is plus, greater or less than 4 times minus becomes minus 4, and that is the answer. S is greater than or equal to minus 4 is C. Alright, question 20, I've already done it for you. The right answer is A. Which of the following line graphs represent the solution of 2x is greater than 6x plus 8? The first thing you need to do is to solve the inequality. The inequality here, 2x is greater than 6x plus 8. Move 6s here, it changes to negative 6s. 2x minus 6s is greater than 8. 2x minus 6s will give me minus 4x is greater than 8. Now divide both sides by minus 4. It is only when you divide it by a negative sign that the inequality sign changes and faces the other side. This cancels this. S becomes, because I'm dividing both sides by negative 4, my answer 4 here 1, 4 here 2, the inequality sign faces this place, and my answer is S less than minus 2. Now that we know that x is less than minus 2, we go back to the option. A, x is less than minus 2. If x is less than minus 2, that means x can be minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus, but not equal to or more than minus 2. That is why it's A. B means that x is less than 2. That is why this unshaded 0 is at 2. If x is less than 2, that means x can be minus 2, minus 1, 0, or 1, which is not true. Alright, let's go over to the next question. So question 21 says, the sum of two numbers is 120. So this number plus this other number, which happens to be minus 75, is equal to 120. Find the other number, find this empty one. To get this number, right, I need to collect like terms. Move minus 75 to this side to meet 120, since we are looking for this one, this shaded one. So this is equal to, we have 120. As minus 75 crosses the equal to sign, it changes to plus 75. So the other number will be 120 plus 75. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 2 is 9. We have 1. So the right answer is 195, which is E. Thank you very much for staying with me. This is how far we can go with this. Don't forget that for paper 1, I solved the whole 50 questions. For the essay, I solved all the questions. And for this paper 2, I've done the first 21 questions. I'm going to complete the other questions later on. Keep supporting what I do. All the subjects are coming your way. For now, I'm going to say bye.